Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google image search layout. So maybe you are frustrated with the new Google image search layout and you want to change it. Many users have been looking for ways to revert back to the old layout or customize it to their liking. Google introduced a change that moved the image previews from the center to the right side of the page. This change has received mixed reviews, with some users finding it less convenient, especially for larger images. Unfortunately, Google doesn't offer a straightforward way to revert back to the old layout directly within their settings. However, there are few workarounds you can try. First, if you're using Google Custom Search Engine, you can customize the layout of your image search results. How you can do it? Go to the Custom Search homepage, select the search engine you want modify, click on Look and Feel, and then navigate to the Layout tab. From there, you can select the image search option and choose your preferred layout. Remember to save and update the code on your website if you make any changes. For those using the standard Google images, there aren't built-in options to change the layout. However, some users have found creative solutions. You can use browser extensions or scripts to restore the old layout. For example, there are Chrome extensions like Google Images Restore that can break back the center previewed layout. Another option to use a different search engine that still offers the old layout. Some users have switched to search engines like Startpage or DuckDuckGo, which retain the older image search format. If you're looking for a temporary fix, some users have discovered that adding a specific parameter to the URL can revert the layout. For instance, adding and south is equal to 1 to the end of the Google Images URL, revert the layout. Sometimes bring back the old layout. So this is not a guaranteed solution. The summary: while Google doesn't provide an official way to change the image search layout, you can use custom search engines, browser extensions, or alternative search engines to get a layout that you prefer. These workarounds can help you navigate image searches more comfortably. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change Google image search layout. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.